In this video, we're going to go ahead and replace our under-engine splash shield. Along the bottom of your bumper, you're going to have a series of these plastic push pin clips. Let's go ahead and use our trim tool and pop these out. Now, our particular vehicle is already missing a series of these here, but if you do have them, pop them out, remove them. If yours are breaking like ours, you may have to source some new replacements. Our particular vehicle has a couple screws in here. On the bottom side of the engine, we have our splash shield right here. It's held in place by these plastic push pins around. So let's go ahead and use our trim tool. Let's pop out the center of these buttons. Now, if yours break like ours are, we're just going to have to go ahead and source some replacement plastic buttons here. So you pretty much want to go ahead and remove all of your buttons here that are holding this shield in place, and then we'll go ahead and remove that. I'm going to install our under engine cover here. We want to go ahead and lock this unit together. There's a few spots that we want to go ahead and install our plastic push pins. And install your plastic push pins in all of our holes here for retainers. Push that button in. Basically, we want to continue around the perimeter, installing all of our plastic push pins. Do this until they're all installed. Any of the spots that you have a bolt, simply go ahead and snug those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.